Okay guys, so I've been getting a whole bunch of heat about me not actually finishing builds, but right here, this is just to show one of them finished, and I'm actually gonna be completing like everything that's kind of a project. It's gonna get completely finished in this next month or so because I got something coming up later. We'll talk about that later in the video. Here's a little rundown of everything that's done to this bike. So first off, this thing started off as a stolen 2014 Yamaha R1 that I got in Miami, Florida, and the video's right there of me picking up and doing the build. But this is the completed product of it. It has a 2014 front end that is all in Nardo gray. NT Fairing sent me this fairing kit, even though I'm not too cool with NT right now because I got 3 fairing kits that are in chrome kits for my other bikes that have been taking a long time to come in. But we'll just wait for those to come in when they come in. But their kits are really nice when they are here. I have carbon fiber air rams, lower air rams on it. A side exit exhaust because on these bikes it is an undertail exhaust. So we have an Austin Racing side exit exhaust on this. And by doing that side exit exhaust, I had to convert the tail because it looks very goofy in my opinion, having that like tail that's kind of shaped like a U. We switched it over to the 2015 to 2021 rear tail, and it looks absolutely great. We got full functionality with our rear light. Pretty simple. It's just a 3-pin harness for that. So you just gotta splice a couple wires, hook that up, and then you have to cut the subframe in a pretty unique way. But this is the stock 2014 subframe that we made this rear end fit, and I think it looks really sweet. You can't have a passenger on it, which is a downside, so I will be cutting these pegs off pretty much right up here, but except this one's gonna come out right there so we can still hold our reservoir for the rear brake. Other than that, this bike came out really nice. Like, I'm pretty happy with the way it looks and everything, and this is gonna be, for the most part, my new daily rider. And I'm also going to be filming like whatever moto vlog content I do will be filmed on this bike until probably my Ducati 1199's done. That's a cool looking car. I love that color. Stainless steel brake lines on this. I'm just going to include everything that's done to it. AVS levers, and then these low profile LED turn signals, which look really good because you got the black right here, then the black turn signal. Those could be painted and color matched, but I think it looks really good the way it is right now. But yeah, everything on this bike, just beautiful looking bike. I got more cool things coming in the future, but let's switch over. I don't know, dude, I already said it. Let's switch over to the next clip of. Guys, if you want to know how we're getting those rollers, we got an Evolve GT electric board. Angeli, go give us a top, no. Go give us a top speed run right. Key to fire rollers right here. That thing scoots, it does like 23 miles per hour. So announcement here is June 1st, I will be starting a whole new series on the channel. It's going to be called Part It or Build It. First of every month, I'm gonna be going out and buying 2 motorcycles. And whichever comments gets more that you guys want to see me build will get built, and then the other motorcycle is going to be the one that ends up getting parted out. In that series, whichever one gets voted up the most that you guys want me to build, throughout that month, the whole 4 weeks is going to be me building that bike out, and I will complete that bike by the end of the month in probably like a 4-part series. And then after that 4-part series is over, I will go over the numbers of what the part out made, and then return value on the motorcycle, and I will list it for sale. And I'm going to be upping the production quality too in this whole Part It or Build It. We're getting filmed right now, so let's get out of here. Hope you guys like the nice video, because I don't like filming in public. I like filming inside my warehouse. Hey guys, I never tell anyone to follow my Instagrams on here, but they're down in the description. I got Restock Bowers, which is like my personal one, and then I got Built From The Bottom, which is just a whole bunch of content of like all the vehicles I'm building and whatnot. So if you guys aren't already following me on there, go check those out. Peace.